On an Alabama horse farm, a rescue dog named Zip witnessed the birth of a healthy foal, Ty, to a mare named Sandy. The first week unfolded smoothly as Sandy cared for her newborn, with Zip observing quietly. However, the peaceful scenario quickly turned tragic when Sandy suddenly fell ill despite no prior warning, forcing Carla, the farm owner, to make the heartbreaking decision to euthanize her to prevent further suffering. Amid the loss, Zip displayed unexpected empathy, comforting the orphan Ty and forming an immediate bond with the foal. As Ty faced illness similar to his mother's, Zip became a vital presence, staying close, encouraging play, and assisting in his care. Zip's devotion helped Ty recover, offering both emotional support and practical vigilance during critical moments. Their growing connection allowed the foal to regain strength, transition from milk to bucket feeding, and thrive under Zip's watchful eye, highlighting the profound impact of their unique companionship. The bond between the dog and the foal was further tested when a giant snake threatened Ty in the pasture. Zip courageously intervened, shielding Ty and fending off the serpent despite sustaining severe leg injuries. Carla quickly transported Zip to the vet, where he received urgent care and began the slow process of recovery. Meanwhile, Ty displayed signs of distress and depression, emphasizing the emotional depth of their relationship and the challenges of recovery for both animals. After a tense period, Zip gradually regained strength, and their reunion at the farm was joyful and heartwarming. Ty reciprocated with affection, reinforcing their enduring friendship. Over time, they continued to support each other, with the FO offering comfort to Zip during rest and Zip guiding Ty through play and recovery. Their extraordinary bond not only ensured Ty's survival, but also provided mutual strength and healing, demonstrating a remarkable story of loyalty, courage, and interspecies friendship.